Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. Got a very special 23 model Mack Granite with only 34,000 miles on it. It's not your run-of-the-mill truck. It's got 18.7 fronts, 46 rears, and it's got a 14-speed M-Drive HD, which is kind of the upgraded version of Mack's M-Drive. Gives you a couple extra granny gears, and then this does have factory warranty still remaining on it through Mack. There's your 34,000 miles. It does have a wet kit on it as well. If you're looking for something new, we don't want to pay new, this would be the next best thing. Really great option, really cool truck. Have the utmost confidence that if you're looking for something like this, you'd love it. Extremely clean. Has an MP8 engine. It's got the bigger 385 floats on the front to accommodate things in front. Gold dog. Need a little heavier spec work truck vocational unit, this is it. Put anybody in it. The original Michelin tires on the rear, slider. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you've got questions on this one, need a low mileage Daycab or any other trucks, give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.